Hi everyone, just a quick check-in, hope you're all doing okay, and thank you for visiting Bedwell's Kitchen, and thank you if you're a recent subscriber as well. I know a lot of people have been interested in baking over the last few weeks while we've been in this lockdown situation, and I myself have been trying to do more baking, but getting hold of flour, as you may have realised, is quite tricky, but I do have some, luckily, so I'm going to be trying to make another loaf of bread a little bit later today. So thank you for watching my videos so far. I know the how to make a white bread loaf from scratch video is doing very well still, and that seems to be a popular one. So have you tried to make it? How's it come out for you? Let us know in the comments, that'd be great. Have you tried to make any more baking creations or anything else during these last few weeks, or have you got any plans to today over the weekend? Do let us know down below. Let's have a little conversation. Hope you'll do okay, and more videos to come while we are doing through this. We'll be doing more general foodie based chat, try and do some more creations where we can, given what we've got available to us. So hope you're doing okay, hope you're keeping well, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you. Take care, and if you do want to subscribe to Bedwell's Kitchen, just press that button. See you later. Cheers. Bye.